You could probably hear them. But we're gonna do a review on the Trax Slash. This is personally my car. I do have the sound system in it. I use it a lot, but it wastes a lot of battery. So if you guys do get it, try not to use it as much because you'll be like, why is my battery gone already? It's just because of the sound. And we're gonna be hitting some big jumps today. Let's get started. We're pretty crazy out here. Sorry about my dad in the video too.
Oh, you gotta hit it full straight on.
Ah, that was good. I will do that again.
Oh, come on, Scotty. Okay, now it's just good.
Okay, let's go. Rock guy. Let's hit the
Here, just do it one more time. If you don't make it, we'll do it. There we go.
Guys, you can get this car at Hobbytown USA. It's about $400. They have a lot. They have a pink, a rainbow. They have blue. They have a lot of different colors.
And it's not just at Hobbytown USA. There's tons more places. Right, Scotty?
Yep.
Check it out online. It's called Trax Slash.
Okay, give it up. We're gonna do it.
Okay, let's pick this one up. And if you guys have seen, we did do a review on the Trax X-Max a little bit ago. And we will eventually be doing it on the E-Revo and the Stampede. So stay tuned for that. Wait, let me get in position. Okay, here we go.
On your mark.
Get set, go! Let's do it. No, do it again. Woo! We're gonna do that one more time. Then we might try one more jump. Three, two, one, go! Oh boy. Okay, now want to try another jump, Scotty? Oh, dude, I
But
jumped.
now I'm gonna show you the epic front flip. Oh yeah.
Wait, what? The what? Oh,
Got the antenna bent backwards. And guys, if
but
this
that's
ever does
okay.
happen, just pull it back out.
Okay, let's try one more jump. Let's try that one. noise. There's some talking in the background. Or the landscaping. We're trying to talk loud for you guys. Alright, let's do this! That one sounds epic. Ooh, spit some rocks, do that back flip, do that front flip, or do the try to slide, roll it over. Hey, show some engine, baby. Hey, Scotty, why don't you tell us all about this engine over here on this big, sweet baby? One quick thing, straight up here. Go back over here to the landscape. Go over here to the landscape. Okay. Let's show you the motor on this set.
This is my Traxxas.
Sorry, this is taking a little bit long to take that picture off. Okay. So, Scotty, tell us all about this motor right here.
Okay, so as you can see, we got the brushless, and we got the battery,
And there's a sound package.
this is the sound, and there's 2 speakers, and this wire right here plugs into here. So if I plug this in,
Show us the motor on this thing.
I'll
What's
show you
that
the
brushless motor?
I'll show you this backward run. I'll show you this noise.
Oh yeah, show us the noise.
Sorry, it will take a little bit to plug in the wire. Okay,
Hurry up. Put the lid on. It's on
the
the
sound. Okay, so we do have on the controller. We have, if you put this button down, it's in drive. You put it up, it's in park. Let's hear the sound.
Put the lid on and try this thing for a second.
We're gonna turn off that sound, guys.
Put the lid on real fast.
And guys, a really cool feature that they added is watch. When you wait 10 seconds, it's gonna go. Watch.
It's gonna turn off.
I didn't hit the trigger.
Now it's turned off.
See, the sound turned off. Press the trigger. Okay.
Lid. There will be all. That will be all.
That will be all for the review on a Traxxas Slash. Please tune in on the review on the Stampede and the E-Revo. Please check out the X-Max review. Thank you for
You're
watching and
welcome.
see you very soon. Bye-bye.